Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two dash cams that will blow your mind. On the left, we have the Vantrue N4 Pro, the 3-channel 4K Wi-Fi dash cam, and on the right, we have the Prilat dash camera. Get ready for some serious camera action. Let's start with the most important aspect of any dash cam, the video quality. The Vantrue N4 Pro boasts a stunning 4K resolution thanks to its Sony STARVIS 2 True 4K sensor. Say goodbye to blurry license plates. It even supports 4K HDR for those night shots that will leave you speechless. Now let's talk about capturing every angle. The Vantrue N4 Pro is a 3-channel dash cam, meaning it records the front, interior, and rear of your vehicle simultaneously. Perfect for family trips or Uber's Lyft drivers who want that extra layer of security. Next up, let's talk about parking mode. The Vantrue N4 Pro comes with 4 parking modes for 24/7 protection. It even has a buffered motion detection feature, so you don't end up with hours of trivial videos of falling leaves. Plus, it saves the 10 seconds before and 30 seconds after motion is detected, ensuring you capture the full event. Last but not least, let's talk about those extra features that make these dash cams stand out. The Vantrue N4 Pro comes with hands-free voice control, allowing you to control the dash cam with 12 voice commands. It's like having your own personal assistant in the car. Additionally, the N4 Pro offers optional anti-glare CPL, reducing glare and reflections for optimal video quality. The Vantrue N4 Pro has proven itself as the ultimate dash cam in this showdown. It offers impressive video quality, multiple angles, comprehensive parking mode, and some awesome extra features. But remember, the best choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons that will save you money and make you a smarter shopper. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart.